B. 74.
Late. Rain. White.
B. 75. A.
Plate. Train. Quite.
B. 75. B.
Spring. Street. Square.
B. 75. C. 1. Bread.
Pass me some bread.
2. Price.
What's the price?
3. Bless.
Oh, bless you.
4. Class.
How many are there in your class?
5. Glass.
Where are my glasses?
6. Cream.
Do you like ice cream?
7. Quiet.
Isn't it quiet?
8. Spell.
How do you spell it?
9. Stand.
Where shall I stand?
10. Swim.
Can you swim?
11. Stranger.
I'm a stranger here.
12. Stress.
A job with a lot of stress.
B. 76. 1.
Is that your dress?
2.
Is it going to rain?
3.
A few miles.
4.
I went to a cool party.
5.
Are you asleep?
6.
Are you going by train?
7.
Is that your address?
8.
How did you sleep?
9.
A few smiles.
10.
I went to a school party.
11.
Is he your twin?
12.
Is he going to win?
B. 77. Example.
Grey. Great. Gate. 8.
1.
Pay. Play. Plane. Plate. Rain. Train. Late. Paint. 8.
2.
See. Tea. Feet. Seat. 3. Free. Tree. Street. Eat.
3.
So. Low. No. Slow. Soap. Slope. Nose.
4.
Lie. Fight. Right. Light.
B. 78. 1.
I don't like travelling by plane.
2.
The sky's blue today.
3.
What would you like to drink?
4.
Is it the 12th today?
5.
Is this seat free?
6.
It's 5 o'clock.
7.
How many languages can you speak?
8.
Don't sit on that dirty floor.